Lots of delicious goodies are wrapped inside a cucumber ribbon. It looks like a zongzi, but tastes like a super refreshing salad wrap. If you like to try something new, this is the recipe that you must try. It is super refreshing and tasty. I have 3 pieces of lime here. Roll the lime on the counter for about 10 seconds. The juice will be able to come out easily by doing so. Slice the lime in half. In a bowl, squeeze the juice inside. And do the same with the other limes. Don't throw away the lime peels. You could use them to make tea, clean your kitchen counter, or even as air fresheners. In the same bowl, add the fish sauce, or replace it with soy sauce, sugar, garlic, red finger pepper. You could also replace it with other red chili peppers or opt it out if you can't eat spicy food. Whisk. We'll use this as both dressing and dipping sauce. To make the filling, in a mixing bowl, add the steamed corn, steamed peas, tomatoes, shallot, cilantro stems, and 2 tablespoons of the sauce. Whisk. You can also replace it with other ingredients that you enjoy. To slice the cucumber, use a vegetable peeler and slice the cucumber into ribbons. First, slice the front, then the back, and followed by the right and left to get equal sizes. To assemble, fold the cucumber ribbon into a cone and fill it up with the filling. Fold the cucumber ribbon. And tuck the rest of it inside. Do the same with the rest of them. Serve the cucumber zongzi dumplings with the sauce on the side. Look at them, they are so adorable. Enjoy! This is super awesome, really delicious. You get many dimensions of flavors and textures. It's just so perfect. I really enjoy it. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!